Okay. This is starting the beast. Let's see what happens. Or I know what I know what usually happens, but hey. First we have the battery. It's an old battery, but it works. It does a self-test. Then we watch the back of the machine. I'm watching the back of the machine until the lights, until the management light finishes telling us that everything is good. When basically the pattern dies down and it goes slower. Technically, we wait until the light starts, till the heartbeat starts hard beating, which it is. So I have it configured so that I can just push the keyboard. Numbers go up. There's our processors, some shiny SSDs, my Vega 56. So we're counting up. The new one on the bottom is an Iron Wolf, which is nice. Let's see, 92, we want it to finish. That looks good. Does look good. Do we have a little spinning circle? We're waiting. Yep, spinning circle. Once that actually starts, it should finish fairly quickly. My boot times are, oh, I don't know, extended, but after the first 2 minutes, it just takes about 30 seconds. Oh, it'll take less than 30 seconds if I didn't have this. But hey, one does what one wants. Yep, there's the computer. 9:04. And the picture. So, the beast is awakened. 3,000 RPM, it's at 50% speed. And of course, I moved the fan, one of the fans at least, outside because it was, well, I wanted to rejigger them a little bit. And there's more room now. Bye.